The BPM Supreme app was released about a month ago, and I downloaded it as soon as I heard about it, and I've been using it for about a month now. I've really been enjoying the app, and I'll tell you why, but first, I'm Alex Brown, and welcome to the video. I've been a DJ for over 7 years now, and I've had multiple DJ subscriptions, and about a year ago I switched to BPM Supreme because of the flexibility, and I was getting more into the club events, which I needed the different edits for. Because of the access to music that I get with BPM Supreme, I was really excited when I heard about their mobile app, and like I said, I downloaded it as soon as I heard about it. To be completely clear, the BPM Supreme mobile app is not made for standalone DJing. That is not the purpose. As far as I've seen, the purpose is more of BPM Supreme on your phone where you can look at your music and everything without having to go to the internet for it. There's two reasons that I have that I really love this app. The first being that it's sort of a replacement for a mobile music subscription like Apple Music or Spotify. If you're a DJ, you may have to subscribe to BPM Supreme and one of those streaming services, whereas now you can stream everything directly from your music subscription on your phone without having to use your web browser like Safari or whatever your web browser of choice is on your phone. Secondly, the app adds some redundancy and can help you in event-related issues that arise. It will, again, talk about this a little bit later in the video, as I'm going to show you the actual use of the app right now. On the home screen of the app, you have your top downloads, new releases, news, exclusive, curated sets, radio charts, and BPM supply. We'll talk about BPM supply at the end of the video, so we'll come back to that. Radio charts are pretty obvious. It's just the same radio chart that you would get on the website. News, it's really all just the same stuff that you would get from the top tabs on the BPM Supreme website. Your browse has some similar options, and you can go through the video as well as the audio, which is nice. All of the music in the browse, so maybe we'll go 80s and back, can be added to your crate just by hitting the add, and you can see all the versions here, so it's really fully functional. Let's take a look at the search. Now you can do just title, artist, or edit at the top here. You can also do an advanced search, which is essentially the same as it is on the website. So all of the typical subscription features are built in here. Now, some things you have down here are your recent searches, and you can clear these, of course. I mean, I don't know why you really want to, but anyway. So if you start playing one of these, you can skip to the next one. So it's almost like a playlist built in, and like I said, you can use the control center controls, and you'll see that now it's skipped to the next one. And of course you have your library. This is where you can see your crate, playlists, followed sets, Cloud Rescue, which is one of the really important features about BPM Supreme, and your last played. So that's that. You have your little settings icon here, so you have your password change if you wanted to do that, record pool, you can go directly to it. High quality streaming, you definitely want to have this on because as far as streaming, it's very solid streaming. However, it's not the highest of quality. It's not quite Apple Music or Spotify. I'm not sure what the bitrate of it is. And here there's this little prefer explicit content. So the crates for me are the most important part of this app because it allows me to be on the go. Maybe I'm in a club and I hear a song and I'm like, hey, Zach, what song is that? Because I want to go download it. Now, instead of going online or writing it down in my notes, I can go into the app, look for it, and as you see here, I have some things that I either have added in the past and downloaded and haven't deleted out yet, or added and need to download. Even sometimes I'll be DJing an event and need an intro version that I don't have because the past subscription that I used did not have actually included dirty edits for a lot of songs or intro edits for a lot of the songs. So it's good that BPM Supreme has that, and I also sometimes use this to listen to music in the car or something, especially because sometimes I have different versions of songs that I might like, so I'll listen through those and kind of get an opinion. If you don't know what redundancy is, it basically means having a backup. Having a backup laptop has become very expensive and less rewarding over the years. Many DJs use MacBooks. So I've had my computer for nearly 8 years and I haven't had any problems with it. Now I'm gonna knock on wood here, thank goodness. But I have a backup laptop, however, because I've never needed it, I don't even bring it anymore. The BPM Supreme app on your phone could be your backup at an event because it's very easy to just search songs in the app and play them through, if you have a iPhone 7 or later, through the lightning port and a dongle, plug it into your controller, and you can either finish the event with it. It is not going to be the best, but you can do that. The other part about the app is a lot of times I'll have someone request an older song that I don't have, but it's in the app or on BPM Supreme. And what I can do now is, instead of using like an Apple Music subscription to play those songs, I can just use the app to play the song, add it to my crate at the same time so I can download it later. And the person or customer gets to hear the song they wanted, and now I can go download it. To complete this video, the BPM Supreme app is the next innovation in the DJ music subscription industry. Whether you're a bedroom DJ, club DJ, music producer, mobile DJ, BPM Supreme has the content and the access to the content to meet your needs. If you like this sweatshirt that I'm wearing, it does have a very cool BPM Supreme piece of artwork on the back, and it also has a little sewed-on piece down here that I'll show you. So there's this, and it says on the back, world-class DJs or something like that. If you like this sweatshirt, make sure to check it out at the link in the description below on the BPM Supreme merchandise store. They also have some super awesome slip mats. These things are nice. It's too bad I don't have turntables because these are really cool looking slip mats. I forgot to mention it while I was recording the video, but there's one feature I'd really like to see, and that's a combination of BPM Supreme's mobile app music being able to be played in Serato's app Pyro for the iPhone. The Pyro app can already play Apple Music, I think, and Spotify, so it would be nice if BPM Supreme might be able to work with Serato to have that integration into Pyro, and maybe even eventually into the Serato DJ software. Let me know what you think of that in the comments, though. This video was made possible by BPM Supreme. Thanks for the support. Make sure to check out their website at the link in the description below for all your DJ music subscription needs. You can also check out their new mobile app featured in this video at that link. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, drop a thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to leave me a comment if you have any questions.